In this video, I'll show you how to remove the shortcut arrow icons from your Windows desktop. This method doesn't require installing any third-party software. Let's get started. Open the Start menu. Type Registry Editor and open. If you see the User Account Control prompt, click Yes. On the left side, navigate to the following location. Take your time expanding each folder until you reach Explorer. Right-click on Explorer, choose New, then select Key. Name the new key Shell Icons. Make sure the spelling and spacing are exactly the same. Click the Shell Icons folder. Right-click in the empty space, select New. Choose String Value. Name it 29, just the number 29. Double-click the new 29 value. In the value data box, paste the following. You can find this and copy from the video description down below. Click OK. Now we need to refresh Windows Explorer. Click the Start menu and type Task Manager. Scroll down till you find Windows Explorer. Click it once, then click Restart. Your desktop will briefly refresh. The shortcut arrows should now be gone. If they don't disappear immediately, simply restart your computer. If you want to reset it back to showing the arrows, go to Registry Editor and delete the string value created. Click Yes. Select the Shell Icons folder and delete it. Click Yes. Now let's restart the PC. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips and software installation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.